Happy birthday to you. Smiles are blooming. Happy birthday to you. Happiness spreading from the heart. I give on this special day. Happy birthday to you. Sending love your way. Once a year, a magic day. Today is truly special. Friends and family gather around to celebrate with joy. Happy birthday to you. Smiles are blooming. Happy birthday to you. Happiness spreading from the heart. I give on this special day. Happy birthday to you. Sending love your way. Candles on the cake we light. Make a wish and blow them out. Everyone is thinking of you, celebrating your bright future. Happy birthday to you. Smiles are blooming. Happy birthday to you. Happiness spreading from the heart. I give on this special day. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Ethel. We love you. Take care.
Hi Tol! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Stay humble and pretty. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Ethel. Happy birthday, Ethel. See you on Sunday. And sana magkaroon ka na ng anak at ikasal ka na. Miss it all, love you.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, magpapa-shoutout yung ating top 1 subscriber, which is si Maria Ethel Clarice Santa Rosa Romero. So hi classmate, so I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. Ang wish ko is sana magkaroon ka pa ng marami at mahabang buhay. Matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, ma-enjoy mo yung pagiging single, or kung single ka man. Tapos sana magkaroon ka na rin ng asawa para makita mo na rin yung mini version mo. So that's all for today's video, and yun lang. Ingat palagi and kita-kits na lang pag may gathering. So peace out.
Happy 32nd birthday. Please allow me to use my phone. I have my código. Okay. So once again, happy 32nd birthday, Ethel. Time really flies. I hope you enjoy your special day. May God grant all the desires of your heart and bless you with more birthdays to celebrate. Wishing you a joyful life, a happy and healthy family, and all the love your heart can hold. Enjoy your moment. Stay healthy, beautiful, and in love. And most of all, itong wag na wag mong kalimutan, don't forget to thank God for all the blessings that you've received. Again, happy 32nd birthday, Ethel. I love you. Keep safe always, and see you soon.
2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Tita Clarice. Happy birthday, Tita Clarice. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Clarice. Happy birthday, Tita Clarice. Sana mag-asawa ka na. Love you.
Bakla! Happy birthday! I hope you'll enjoy your day today with your friends, with your loved ones. At sana magpakain ka. Happy birthday! Alam mong love kayo ni tita. Alam mong love kita. At sana may ipapakilala ka in the coming days and coming months. At nang sa ganun, ako ay makahigop na ng mainit na sabaw. I thank you.
Hi Tel! Happy birthday! Sana mag-asawa ka na.
Happy birthday, Tita Clarice. Thank you for taking care of me when I'm there in Pantok. And thanks for buying me McDo when I was there. Love you. Peace. Bye.
Ate, happy birthday. God bless you. Good health. And more birthday to come, ate.
Yo, shout out nga pala sa pinsan ko. Binabati ko ng happy birthday, Ate Clarice. Sana pagpalayan ka pa ng Panginoong Diyos at makakuha mo yung pangarap na gusto mo. Salamat nga pala sa walang sawang pag-aalaga at pagmamahal kay Aliyah. Naiyak ako. Wish ko sana mag-asawa ka na, mabigyan mo na ng apo si tito at si tita. Yun lang. Happy birthday again.
Hi Tita, happy birthday. Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa akin at panglilibre sa akin kapag namimili tayo, kapag ubos na yung paninda mo. Ayun lang, happy birthday to you. Sorry sa mga kakulitan ko.
Happy birthday, Tata! Thank you for everything. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo ay iisa lang yung wish naming lahat na alam mo na. Pero hindi kita minamadali. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tinulong mo sa amin, sa akin. Sobrang ka-thankful kasi naging pinsan kita and parang kapatid na rin. Yun lang, bawasot. Ganun talaga pag tumatanda, umiinit na yung ulo. Charis. Happy birthday! I love you. I wish you all the best in life.
Ay,
You're my everything, you're my one and only, my furry little soulmate. You're my best friend.
Happy birthday, Ninang Ate. I love you. Nationation. Thank you, my baby. Birthday. Bago makasal sa birthday ko,